We begin this walk at the entrance of Parco del Colle Oppio as we approach the Colosseum. On the right, fragments of ancient stone appear almost immediately, remnants absorbed into the park itself. The path widens and flattens, lined with benches and shaded by tall trees. Modern buildings sit quietly beyond the greenery, while the ground still tells a much older story. Ahead, old brick structures emerge, arced, massive, and partially exposed. This area was once public spaces connected to the Colosseum, used for storage, gathering, and later repurposed over the centuries. Walking alongside fenced ruins, we descend towards street level. A nearby structure across the street is under construction, protected behind metal gates, a reminder that Rome has never finished being studied, repaired, or rediscovered. This curved crescent-shaped form below was part of a large Roman complex designed to support crowds and activity tied to the Colosseum close by. Crossing the street again, the scene shifts to a park where locals skate and play basketball and relax. Rome doesn't separate ancient and modern life, they exist on top of each other. From the hilltop, the Colosseum finally appears in full view. Its layered structure is clear, 3 main levels still standing, once capable of holding over 50,000 spectators. Leaving the park, we move towards a central access area. The crowd thickens, anticipation builds, and the scale of the Colosseum becomes more apparent with every step. At street level, cafes, carts, and tourist paths frame the experience. This route leads past a small church, then into a narrow alley that allows us to go towards the Colosseum. The alley opens to a broader road where buses pass and ruins line the edge. Some of the buildings by the Colosseum are from the 4th century, which is 1,700 years ago. Now just blocks away, the energy shifts. Families, cyclists, and photographers surround the structure. The arches once held statues. Today, images show what once stood there, hinting at its original grandeur. Tens of thousands of slaves, many Hebrew prisoners of war, built the structure using concrete, stone, and iron clamps. Across the street stands a triumphal arch of Constantine, carved with scenes of emperors, soldiers, and Roman life. Built to commemorate victory, it visually connects imperial power with the Colosseum beside it. The Arch of Constantine in Rome, built in 315 AD, commemorates Emperor Constantine's victory over Maxentius at the Battle of the Milvian Bridge. Nearby, a water station continues an ancient tradition. Free, still, or sparkling water flows. Rome has always ensured public access to water, even in the heat. Cobblestones and brick paths lead deeper into the archaeological zone. Some routes require tickets, while others remain freely accessible, allowing exploration without barriers. At the end of one path, a small church appears, its exterior washed in soft pink tones. Inside, the space is quiet. Holy water, kneeling benches, and simple paintings offer a pause from the crowds. Leaving the church, the route opens again into a broader archaeological area. Some sections are closed, others partially exposed, Rome revealing itself in fragments. Across the street, red brick ruins rise from the ground. Pillars, arches, and roofless halls once formed part of a massive imperial complex. Today, they remain open to the sky, unfinished, powerful, and timeless. This concludes our journey to the Colosseum. I want to thank you for joining me on this tour, and I hope you learned something new. We'll see you on the next one.